Hi friends, it's Vidya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to share how I'm planting dahlia tubers and also share you an update how they look after 5 weeks of planting in ground. Dahlias are actually grown for their vivid color and abundance of bloom starting from midsummer and until the first frost. Also they are known best for cut flower garden. So I live in zone 6B. Average first frost date comes mid of October. So I'm super excited to plant these in my sun-raised bed garden and see the bloom sometime maybe end of July until October mid. I think that's what I can expect. And if first frost date extends beyond October mid, so that's going to be a bonus for this year. I bought all these tubers from Brix.com. At first sight I thought the tubers are a little weak, but you guys should see the plant. They are growing really big and I didn't expect that much growth from a small tubers. I think Brix.com has really a best quality of tubers for any beginner gardener. And it's just my honest opinion, guys. I don't really have any affiliates with Brix.com. Whatever the tubers that I purchased or whatever the bulbs that I purchased so far, they really came out very well. And the spring garden was awesome. Dahlia can be started indoors few weeks before the last frost date to have an early jump start. Then it can be transplanted in ground after danger of frost is passed. But actually I didn't really rush to plant dahlias outdoors because dahlias are also sensitive to cold and they really struggle with the cold soil. So actually I waited until mid of May and I planted them around second week of May. So I think that's ideal for starting dahlias too in zone 6B. Dahlias actually thrives in full sun, so they need at least 6 to 8 hours of minimum sun for them to produce a nice and large blooms for you. So make sure to plant it in a sunny location. This is the raised bed that gets full sun. I'm thinking of planting dahlias as a backdrop plant in this row. So I'm thinking of putting out the post here and then here so that I can run twine between these two T-posts that will provide a support for the dahlia. Let me show you guys how I am planting. Dahlia tubers like rich and good draining soil. So before planting, amend the soil with compost and sprinkle little bit of Biotone starter fertilizer or some bone meal. That will give some nice strength for the root and the tubers to grow stronger. And I have 7 total to plant today, but I don't think I have more space to leave them a larger spacing, so I'm going to make sure that at least they are separated at least 1 feet each other, but I will see. Dahlia needs to be planted 4 to 6 inches deep, and based on the variety you need to leave them with a 2 to 3 feet space. Classic dinner plate variety, it grows up to 36 inches to 48, which is 3 feet to 4 feet tall. So I may be taking them mid of summer for them to stay strong. And again, like dahlias produce a larger bloom, you may need to watch for them before any heavy wind or heavy rainstorm. Let's talk about water needs for dahlia. Once you plant the tubers, you just water them once if the soil is too dry, and then until you see a sprout coming, don't water it because over watering may result in tubers to rot. So once you see the sprout coming in, it is good to have regular watering for dahlias for them to nicely produce a strong plant and also produce nicer blooms. Twice a week deeply watering will definitely going to be helpful for dahlias to really stay strong. Dahlia tubers actually like fertile. Applying low nitrogen liquid fertilizer once in a month definitely is going to help, and make sure you don't end up with bushy plant at the cost of blooms. So make sure you don't apply too much nitrogen to the soil. This dahlia variety is Garden Wonder Dahlia. It blooms in red. So second and fourth I have Crazy Love Dahlia that I bought from nearby garden center. And third one is Thomas Edison Dahlia. It blooms in purple. The next one is Mrs. Eileen and it blooms in orange. And then I have Kevin Floodlight, it blooms in yellow. And the last one I have is Queen of White. This is the sun raised bed, guys. Let me show you how the dahlia plant. They are at different heights and stages for each variety. So let me show you how each 7 variety that I planted on mid of May. Now it is 3rd week of June. Let me show you how they look. This has grown more than 8 inches. This is 4 or 5 inches. This one is maybe 3 inches. This one has actually grown so big. I think it's a foot tall now. This is 4 inches. This is 3 inches. That's it, guys, for today. I hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel.